Images and videos are always essential assets for any marketing campaign. Business always need many images with a variety of topics to meet their business needs. Usually, not many people choose to take pictures or create videos themselves because it requires a lot of factors such as equipment, shooting skills, editing, and certainly the price. Going with stock images is a favorite option. So today guys, I present to you the ProStock, the first and one-click stock media searchable platform ever made. And we will see guys in this review what is the ProStock, the pros and cons, the sales page, the live demo, and my honest review at the end of this video. Without any further, let's get started. First of all, what is ProStock? ProStock allows you to get unlimited access to plus 10 billion royalty-free high-quality stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, and audio tracks for a low one-time fee without any restrictions. Whether you are creating marketing content for your own business or promoting products online, quality visual are the key. So guys, here in the sales page, 50 million stock media plus cloud-based video, audio and image editor plus free agency lessons and plus bonuses worth $10,000. Get unlimited and unrestricted access to the world's largest cloud-based one-click searchable platform, which plus 50 million royalty-free stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, memes, and audio tracks for a low one-time price, with their premium one-click images, video and music editor. You can customize and create beautiful marketing content to skyrocket your sales and conversions in minutes. So like you see guys, this is some features of the ProStock. Get unlimited access, instantly searchable to 50 million stock resources. Stop paying a huge monthly fees to stock website. Save thousands of dollars a year on photos and videos. Never again waste hours looking for good stock photos. Never get sad for using copyrighted images. Eliminates all this hassle for searching and downloaded content from multiple sites, which their 100% cloud-based image, audio and video editor. You can customize and edit any resource to suit you or your client's marketing needs. 10x your traffic with high quality free stock resources, free commercial and agency lessons to use any resources for client projects, 30 days steal my product money back guarantee, and low one-time price during the launch period only, which is this time now. And there is guys 3 steps to use the ProStock. Step number 1, enter a keyword and search from over 55 million resources. Step number 2, just type on it to modify as per your need with their cloud-based video, image and music editor. And step number 3, use it anywhere and any way as you wish. And guys, like you see, this is the sales page, and you can scroll all the sales page and see more features and more details and more informations about this wonderful product. And now guys, let's see the ProStock from inside. So basically, when you log into your account, you'll find this dashboard here. It's very easy and simple. You can scroll and see the bonuses, all images. All you need is to put your keyword, click at the results, your categories, and click at search. So you will have a lot, thousands of searches. Free commercial you can use. Also guys, you can favorite anything you want, and also the best part, you can edit it. Of course, you can download any image you want from here, and you can edit, like I said, with simple tools. The editor is free to use and simple, and made for beginners and newbie. Also guys, you can search for trending images. Like you see, this is the trending images on the dog niche. Also you have the HD images. And remember guys, all these photos are 100% commercial use. You can use it as you want without any problems. As well for the videos, like you see guys, all these videos is 100% free and you can use it for your content without any restrictions or problems. And as well for the videos guys, you can edit the video by editing by adding a text or an image, a brand, an audio, or a bottom text overlay. Also guys, you can search for the popular videos like you see, and you can select your results. For example, this is the popular videos right now on the dog niche. As well guys, for the animated videos, I already said this in the sales page. This is the animated videos you can use. And for the price guys, so basically you will get 5 million premium searchable HD stock videos, 30,000 4K videos in various categories, for a million plus HD searchable stock images, plus 30,000 searchable illustrations, and plus 50 categories, plus 50,000 GIFs, 10,000 texture patterns, 10,000 stickers, 4,500 animation and static icons, plus 50,000 motion videos, plus 1,000 green screen videos, plus 20,000 amazing music and 30 categories, plus 10,000 sound effects, 30,000 high quality vector graphics, animated text generator, premium cloud based one-click image editor, one-click music editor. And also guys, beside all these features, you will get valuable bonuses. Basically you will get a lot of bonuses. Bonus number 1 is the commercial lessons. Bonus number 2, agency lessons with sub-user access. Bonus number 3, plus 4,500 graphic pack. Bonus number 4, 1,000 premium fonts. Bonus number 5, 3,000 pro level logo templates. Bonus number 6, 500 viral coach images. Bonus number 7, affiliate marketing templates. Bonus number 8, plus 200 4K Ultra HD stock videos. Bonus number 9, plus 700 motion background videos. Bonus number 10, plus 5,000 eye-popping pictures. And bonus number 11, Arvo reseller. And finally bonus number 12, Livio reseller. All these bonuses guys, all these valuable bonuses beside all these features, the price guys, all this valued at least $10,476. You can get it today for just $16.97, almost $17. One-time pay, no monthly fees, and of course guys, you will get 100% money back guarantee if you face a problem using this product or you don't like it at all. The cost of the product may depend on when you decide to grab it, but I am the bet that it's still recurring and your hesitation can cost you much more money. I beg that if you want to make money online, this spending is radically inevitable. Hope that my review, guys, help you to decide if you like the product and if you want to really buy it or not. The link of the ProStock in the description below. Of course, guys, if you use my link, you will get 12 valuable bonuses, and of course I will much appreciate it if you use it. That's it, take care and see you later.